What's up, everyone? I'm Suzal. Quick intro about me. I'm the founder and CEO of Client, a email and SMS marketing agency that has been doing emails for the last 3 years. We have sent more than 2 billion emails and generated more than $10 million for our e-commerce partners. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about how we made $45,000 in the last 30 days by sending 34 email campaigns. Not email flows, no automated emails, manually sent 34 email campaigns that did $45,000. No ads, no gimmicks, just plain simple emails. So, let's dive right into it. So, coming to campaign overview, let me make myself a bit small, not that small. You need to see my beautiful face. So we did the revenue of $44,134, a bit shy of 45. So don't call me out on clickbaiting you. We sent to a total of 830,000 campaign recipients. So not including flows emails, just campaigns in the span of 30 days from March 9 to April 9, we sent 830,000 emails. So that was it. 34 campaigns, more than a campaign for a single day. Am I suggesting that you should do this for your business? Absolutely not. So, quick intro about the business we had work with. It's a men's fashion niche brand, and we have been working with them for the past 2 years. So, we know everything about this brand, like how it works. We have A/B tested everything, plain text emails, GIF, memes, every single thing is tested and proven. So we did this. So why did we send that much amount of emails? So more than an email for a single day is like too much, right? So why did we do it? So this is why. We couldn't stop sending emails because they wouldn't stop buying from us. So literally we were sending emails every single day, even more than once in a single day. April 9 at 10 a.m., April 9 at 4 p.m., and that even generated more amount in revenue. $2,500, $1,980, that's almost $5,000 in a single day through two simple emails. So you might be thinking, was there any strategy behind the emails, or we were just blasting the list? Of course there was strategy, and I'll talk about it later in this video. So let's go down below. Daily sends, emails sent every single day. There was no gaps. We were sending every single day. Occasional double sends according to the strategy we were going with. We were sending two campaigns, even some for some days. And then the winning email strategy. So I already told you about this, right? We knew what worked and what did not. So we went with 90% plain text, 10% design emails. We still want the viewers to see our logos, our colors, and buttons. So we went with 10% of the emails being designed and 90% being plain text. The subject lines were super personalized, to be honest. Like, it was catchy, it was appealing. There were the open rates, because we were sending every single day, right? So we didn't want our open rates to go down, so subject lines had to be catchy. 4:1 ratio on plain text to design emails. And the main thing that we did, that none other agency is doing right now, that's character driven copy. So we give life to our emails, basically. If you go into your inbox right now, all you say is boring or design high designed promotional emails, 30% off, BOGO sale, things like that. But we went with plain text emails with character behind them. So we made three major characters: the founder with a calm and classy voice that comes every once in a while with some discount and an urgency, like only three pieces left. If you had been looking at it, now's the time to buy. Rachel, the manager, was the day-to-day email sender with the top picks, the best sellers, things like, I bought this for my boyfriend, it would look good on you too, things like that. The Brittany, the intern, the fun one. So mischievous emails like, I'm not supposed to send you this discount, but I'm doing this. I use it before this midnight, things like that. So this kept our emails very exciting. It felt like a conversation to the subscribers. Even we even got some replies back saying like, dear Rachel, like people were sending replying back to our emails. So I suggest you do this with your emails too. Make them fun. Don't be just design high designs, just salesy, like objectional handling. People have boring lives, to be honest. They have boring lives. So your emails need to be a fun thing that they want to open every single day. When we are sending every single day, We can't be selling or helping or like suggesting things every single day. We were doing that, giving value and things like that, but every single day we can't do that. So we made our emails from, of course there was CTA in all of them, that's why we got revenue like those. But keep the email like light, fun, and mischievous in some days, and you'll thank me later on. So that's it for this video. If you want to book a call with me, I'll leave the link down in this description. And if you like this video, leave a like and also a comment and subscribe to your boy. Thank you.